What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Booster Jaden YouTube channel, where today we're going to install a passenger dash piece because I thought it would be a good idea to put super glue all over it. And yeah, let's get into it. Here's our new dash pad, which is out of a 29 thou Cade import, which was damaged in the rear, so I took the cover, will fit the vent into it, and then good to go. Okay, so let's start by removing the cup holder. So to do that, you just push it and pull it and twist it and do something and try not break it, and put that up on the top of the dash. This and that was for a dash mount, but then I did the glue. It just looks horrible. And the S, it's upside down. I mean, unbelievable. Glove box, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll tell you anyways. Clips in there, and then it pushes up in. It's a bit harder for me because I've got the bit on the front that holds the mic, and I've got the power pack on the side there. This wire will probably be removed because that was for a tablet that was mounted here. However, I've since removed it. So to start this job, we're going to start by taking a screwdriver. There'll be, on these, they're mostly pull-outs, but there are a couple of screws that hold them in somewhere. Try and pull it, and then when that fails, it doesn't matter if we break the old one trying to pull it off because it's getting replaced anyways. So I always pull this part down. It's not going to do any harm, just pull it all down, and then, okay, it's not pulling off. Up in behind this airbag here, there's a bolt here, which is Phillips and a 10mm, and there's a Phillips and a 10mm here that needs to come out, and then there's these big bolts that hold in the airbag that need to come out also, so they're what I'm going to be removing now. 12mm socket on the ones that hold the airbag. Okay, so we're going to loosen off those bolts. This passenger dash has never been apart before to my knowledge. Tight. Oh, Jesus. Okay, she's real tight. Here on the Booster Jaden YouTube channel, sometimes we need to use bigger tools. Big tool for a small bolt, but when it won't come out, I'm left no choice. And I grabbed the wrong size socket. Oh, that was easy. With a bit of leverage. And then the second one, and then unscrew them completely. So we're now going to take out our second bolt, which is just loose there. And then that's the second bolt, so that's 4 bolts. We'll try and move it again. One more screw that sits right underneath the glove box, right by where the hatch is, that the glove box clips onto. There's a screw that sits right here. That also needs to be removed in order to remove the front dash piece. Now that all of those screws are out, we should be able to just pull it off. But I sense that there's still something holding it. Down in the bottom here. One more screw, which sits in right under here, up right over there. There's a screw. A screw that will look like this, like it'll look like a screw. That one comes out, so there's 2 of those to remove. two of the big ones to remove, which are the 12mm, and then there's two of the 10mm to remove. So 6 bolts in total hold the pad piece on. And then obviously you pull. You should really have the airbag disconnected for this, but oh well. Okay, so it's definitely going to come out from the top. And then up and out. Oh, the airbag's got a split in it. So that's what an airbag looks like. So there's the old piece. Needs a clean. To remove this, I presume you push these clips in. And then voila, it pushes out. And then that's the old skin removed. Ugly, ugly, ugly. And then for the new one, oh yes. So we'll start with, I'll quickly go wipe that down and be back. All clean, ready to go on. Now we'll take out, what happened to my dash? I left the part behind. Found my dash piece and I found this. So now I'm just going to fit it. And that clicks in, it's locked in, and it ain't going anywhere. It's not uneven. Turns. It's doing exactly what it should. Airbag will go in and then this will get mounted. So these, obviously they're curvy at the bottom and then they're high at the top. I want to try and do this without blowing the bag up in my face. This could be a gone wrong video, but I hope not. In and in, clicked and clicked. And then we take our new piece and then we just lightly push it in everywhere. Like there's no need to be too rough about it. And put that on and then we just screw it all back together and it's done. So we'll take our bolts, start with our big 12mm, which go right in under the bag. One goes right there. That's one. That's two. So that's those two tightened. We don't require the big extension anymore. There's also a screw that goes right up and behind there. And then the two last ones are these kind and they require 10mm fit. Okay, so we've got one there. It'll go in. And there it is, new dash. There's just a little nick in the corner there, which was already on it. But that's not bad, I'm pretty happy with that. That tidies the Swift right up. Just the glove box to fit now, and that's it. And then it's all done, but that looks much more tidier than this one. Just try to get it up there. So that's what did come off it. You see all the glue on it? Pretty bad, eh? And then there's that on it, which was for a tablet, but never ended up actually properly putting it in the car before. So dash replaced, passenger side piece all completed, which is quite cool. So that is how you replace the passenger side dash. So the last thing to do for this car is to put the SBR Scott Brothers Racing sticker on the car. all a bit flash. Now we've got a Scott Brothers Racing sticker, which is pretty cool. So that's the Susie all christened with SBR. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, nah, that looks really cool. I like that. And then round the other side, how does it look? Oh, good. Oh yeah, I like that. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap up another video on the Booster Jaden YouTube channel with the Daily Swift. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to others and entertaining for others. Not that it's very exciting, a dash install. Remember to follow me on Instagram, link will be here. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. With that, have a fantastic day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you very soon in the next video on the Booster Jaden YouTube channel.